Hi, this is a video of Sid, Friday the 4th of March 2016. Just giving you an update on how the work's getting on. As you can see in the video, there's more sheeting on the side walls now, and started putting a trunking in around the ridge of the narrowboat. This is just going to be temporary, just to cut the trunking to size. Then I'll need to take it down again to just finish off painting and touching up the side walls. Then once all that's done, I'll put the trunking back again and start wiring it up. So on this side, got a trunking coming down, and there's going to be the bed, and here this stretch here is going to be a table with chairs either side. The plan was going to have the electrical boxes just above the table, but then I thought having the electric boxes just above the table, and when you plug sockets in it, all the wires will be on top of the table, and when you're eating, there maybe it would take up space on the table, and when you're sitting down and right on the edge of the settee side of the wall, it'd probably get in the way. So on second thoughts, I decided to put them behind the chair, so you always have extra cables on your items which you plug in, so the cables will easily go from the table to these sockets here. Plus also the sockets are out of the way, nothing's going to get in the way of them. So coming in here, got the sockets here and the trunking going down into the engine room. The worktop would be here, but it'd be like too high for these sockets, so I've decided to put the sockets over the fridge, or called deep freeze, and the height of a deep freeze is about to here, so be room over top of them. And another thing I've done is made the door, so just made a framework of the door. The locks are at home, and so you've got no locks at the present time, or handles, but this is how it works. Once it's shut, I go up and it block off there. You can't see it that well because it's a bit dark. That folds down, and that fold up against the window. So it's not very light in the cabin there, deck, because the tarpaulin's over top of it. But once it's going properly, it'll have the windows in there and it'll be nice and light. So when the doors open, all the light will come down and light up the kitchen. And when I have the door shut, I'll shut off all the light from up there, but this window will then give you the light. So there's a trunking on this side. I've just got to order another bend there. When you have doing the trunking on paper, you think of the it'll have it a different way, but once you start it on a different way, so I use the bend over here, so I need to get another bend. Same problem here. Once I have these are the worktops, but they haven't got any legs on at the present time, so once I've got legs on the worktop finish about there, then I have a 40mm worktop, and there would be no room for the sockets. So when you're thinking about it in your head, you think, oh yeah, I'll have the sockets underneath the trunking. What we'll have to do is cut a hole in the. We're going to have a wall here for the toilets, and in case a different size between the two grommet holes, and